Your skin's elasticity. That is the word that I can't say again. Elasticity. Elasticity. Did I say it? Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments how your day is going. Mine's doing all right. It's like early in the morning. It's like 9 a.m. and I am shocked that I'm up, dressed, and ready to record this early. All right, so if you read from my title, I have 2 months worth of the Joah box. So this is a Kbeauty subscription. They do send this to me every month to review, but sometimes I get behind. And I figured, well, you might as well wait till you get the next month and do 2 of them. And I typically like to do that for especially skincare subscriptions, because that way you can see 2 months, you can see more, and see if this is something that you would like to subscribe to, you know? So I like doing it that way. But I also want to tell you, if you're not aware, I do have a few giveaways going on. I have one right here, and we'll put the other one right here. So there are 3 giveaways, so make sure that you watch those videos and you enter those videos. All right, so I believe this is the one from the June, the 2019, and this is, did I just hit myself in the face? I don't know if it's May and June. It might be May and June, because with the Joah box, you typically get them at the end of the month. And this comes from, I believe, where does it come from? South Korea. So that's why you don't get it to the end of the month. All right, let's open this puppy up. And a lot of people ask me, because they say, oh, I see Joah Beauty in CVS and different things, and it is not the same one. This is a totally different company. All right, so let's open her up. And I'm glad it's back in the boxes, because there for a while, they were putting them back in bags, and I like the box better, so I'm glad. All right, so let's just open it up, and there we go. It looks like that. Right there. All right, so for, oh, this is June's box. So maybe I have June and July. I don't know. Let's just see. All right, so this is June. And you always get a card, like a playing card. So this would be the 6 of clubs, and you're supposed to save them, and you can kind of use them as playing cards. So, all right. So one thing I do like about this is it tells you what everything is, and it also gives you prices. So I like that. So let's just start with the first thing that I see. So this is the Air Fit lipstick. Right there. And this would be $17.50. All right. So that's what the packaging looks like. All right. Oh, so that's pretty. So it's like a stick lipstick. So let's do a swatch. I've been really into, oh, I still have a swatch from my last video I just did. Oh, that's really pretty. So I've really been into red lipsticks. Just as far as a few months ago, I used to say I'll never wear red lipstick, but I really, really like it. That is really, really pretty. So let's see what it says. You could have got either shade 101 or L01, L02, or L03. Holy crap, I can't read that. That is small. Let's see if I can see. I have L03 is what I have. So maybe that's like the darker color. So it just says, the Joah team decided to add in our June box the Air Fit one. It's velvet matte lipstick that feels as light as hair. So there we go, $17.50. This is $33 a month, and I do have a discount code that I'll leave down below as well. All right, so then we have, oh my God, look how cute. Kbeauty packaging is always so cute. So this is a Length Boost Cara. Right there. Let's see what that is. I think it's a mascara. This would be $9. Yeah, I believe this is a mascara. Let's see. Yeah, so it's just a regular mascara wand. All right. We have that. And then we have this collagen ampoule. I think it's from Time Stop. So this is $29. This is from the Plant Base. It says, in this box, we included the Time Stop Collagen Ampoule because collagen is one of the skin's components that support your skin's elasticity. That is the word that I can't say again. Elasticity. Elasticity. Did I say it? Elasticity. Oh my God, I can say it now. All right, elasticity and strength. All right, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what it looks like. I was practicing that one night. Where's my cutter? Where are you, B? Okay. Let's open her up. Okay. So that's what it looks like right there. The packaging is cute. This is the one that you push down. I don't want to open it because I have a lot of things open right now. So you would push it down. Open it and then you would push it down on your skin. So that's pretty cool. I'm definitely excited for that. And then two things left. You always get some sort of mask. So this is a dry lock mask right there. It looks like this is a face mask. Let's see. Where you be? So this would be $10. Holy crap. It says, I'm sorry for my skin. This face mask contains 69% of galantamine. I have no idea. I will leave that word right here. It's a type of fungus that helps to nourish and revitalize the skin while reducing signs of aging. All right, so this is a face mask. And last but not least, we have this soothing 100% aloe vera. And this is like a lot in here. And this would be $3. So there we go. So let's recap what we got in the June's box. So we have this aloe vera. We have this face mask. We have a mascara. We have this right here, the collagen thingamajiggy. And we have the lipstick. So that's everything in the June box. All right, so I'm not sure if this is May or July. So let's open this puppy up and see. All right. Again, it comes in the box. Oh, this is July. So this is June and July. All right. So travel kit. Again, we have the card. This would be the 7 of diamonds. All right, open this up so we can see what we have. All right, the first thing that I see is Real Tonic. Oh, this is a toner. I love toner. And what I do is after I cleanse my face, I'll go in with the toner to make sure I get like all of the anything left behind, and that's what I'll do. And then I'll go in with like my oil and moisturizer and stuff like that. So let's see where that is. Where you be? I don't see you on here. Oh, the toner. So this would be $12. All right, the next thing we got is, I don't know, this thing. This is from Glow Hill. This is a Total Solution Glow Ampoule Pad. So this is for $10. It says how to use. After washing your face, apply pad to absorb as if toweling dry. After your face, you can apply on the other dry areas like neck, elbow, and heel. All right, so let's open her up and see. All right, so you get quite a few right there. So you always get full-size items in this box, and that's why I like it as well. All right, the next thing we have is an eyeliner. And this is valued at $14, and I will show you what that looks like. I don't want to open it up because I have so many. I'll probably put this in a future giveaway. The next thing we got is this Wonderful Body. Wonderful. That's funny. Right there. All right, what is this? So this is deodorant maybe. This is $15. This motto is love your body, love yourself, and trust our bodies are beautiful no matter shape and size. Oh, no, it's not. How to use. You can apply it directly all over your body, but mainly in dry areas like knees, elbows. Joah tips, if you are one of these people that has irritation problems in between your thighs during summer, we recommend applying this stick in the area before going out. Oh, that's pretty cool. So I want to try this under my eyes if it's for like dry areas. Let me open this thing up. Looks like a deodorant though, don't it? That's why I thought it was a deodorant. But I guess it's not. It's like a moisturizing stick. Yeah. Right there. So I'll try it like under my eyes. So funny. If somebody walked in, they're going to think I put deodorant under my eyes. All right, so we have that. And then last but not least, no, we have two. No, yeah. We have this mask right here. Again, it says, I'm sorry for my skin. Wow, this is an 8-step travel jelly mask. Holy crap. So you have 8 steps here. You have the cleansing oil, the cleansing foam, the toner, the emulsion, the cream, the body wash, the 2-in-1 shampoo, and the jelly mask. Oh, that is so cool. I've never seen that before. So this is $5. So you have everything there. So let's recap what we got in the July box. So we have this 8-step mask. This is great for like travel. It's really good. My husband the other day just left to go to Taiwan, well actually Thailand, for business. And I wish I would have opened this first and I could have gave that to him. So we have that. We have the toner. We have these pads. We have this hydrating thing that looks like deodorant. And we have this eyeliner. And that's everything that we have in the July box. Let me know what you think of this subscription. I really do like this subscription. And I love the fact that it's products that we can't get in America. You know, it's coming from a different country. And I love skincare. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of Joah box? Have you got it before? Are you gonna try it? I really, really like it. Like I said, I'll leave it down below. And I also have a discount for you. Everything will be in the description box. And don't forget to check out those giveaways. There are 3 as of right now, and I'm trying to hope for a couple more before July ends. All right, guys, please rate this video, either like it or dislike it. Just make sure you rate the video because it does help me out. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know how your day is. And also turn the notification bell on so you will be notified every time I make a video, when I have my future giveaways, and subscribe if you like my content. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me. I love you guys so, so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.